Hi, everybody. I don't even know what day. What day is it? It's Wednesday. Welcome. We're here talking and giving you some information about our dental workshop, which is happening next Thursday, May 2nd at Henry Schein from 5 to 9. And Joanne and I are both speakers. We're going to do a TED Talk format. And we just thought we would give you a little highlight on what each of us are going to be speaking about next week. And this is Joanne, and Joanne is with You Are Do. So URDU. And Joanne is going to explain how she came up with that name and what her company does. So welcome, Joanne.
Hi, welcome. Thanks for having me. You Are Do Appointment Services. What we are is a dental outsourcing company, and we work to help you schedule your patients for their dental recare appointments. So I've been in dentistry for a long time. I started You Are Do 2 years ago. I was a technical trainer for Dentrix, and I've been in many offices for a number of years, and I found that recare management was something I really wanted to focus on. So what we do is we take a little piece of all the work that some people have to do, or perhaps you don't have enough time or staff to do it, and we remotely access your clinic, and we contact all your patients, and we schedule them onto your dental software. We are not a confirmation system. We are actual personalized service, contacting your patients for you and schedule them onto your appointment book.
Great. So personalized service is very, very important.
Mm-hmm.
Great. And you work remotely in where are you working now, Joanne? Alberta and?
We work Alberta, Saskatchewan. My staff that work with us are all experienced dental professionals. They've been office managers, Recare coordinators, hygiene coordinators, dental assistants, front office administrators, and they work from their home. So we're not like someone from far away that maybe doesn't understand the business. We understand it very well, and they contact your patients and make sure they understand why they're coming in and when they need to be there.
Yeah, and obviously you understand the local policies and procedures, what happens in Alberta versus Saskatchewan. So if you had somebody calling from, overseas, it's not the same as having somebody that's calling from your local province, right?
Yes, that's right. And we're finding in Alberta for sure that it's difficult to get experienced dental staff to come in and help us. So we provide that for you in a cost-effective way. Now, we also work evenings, weekends, Saturdays, Sundays. So if your office is closed for holidays, we're still working. We're still managing your patients, scheduling them on. We know we're experienced with all the dental digital software programs. So we can work with the different digital companies that you are working with to make sure we can communicate by email or text or voicemail.
Perfect.
Or telephone, whatever you like.
Great. So next week at our dental workshop, Joanne's topic will be what is dental outsourcing. So you definitely want to join us. Our highlight, we're going to open the doors at Henry Schein at 5 o'clock. We have a little mix and mingle and a bit of snacking. And then we're going to start our TED Talk format from 6 till about 7:15, 7:30. There'll be 6 of us speaking. And then we're going to have a break. And then we're going to have a hands-on piece that you get to take back to the office so you can use something that Joanne's taught you, that I teach you, that I find that when you go to conferences or workshops, you go and then it's like, oh, I learned all this great stuff from Joanne, but what do I have that I can take back to start using? So
exactly.
we're going to supply a worksheet each speaker. I'm kind of excited about what everybody's going to be doing. And and then there'll be a little bit of question and answer. So that's what's happening next week, May 3rd, Joanne, or May 2nd, sorry. And if you can't attend in person, we also have a live stream link you can attend, and that you can register for that in the link below too.
And that would be great because a lot of my clients are away from the city and on the outskirts of the city, so they can't, it's really nice to be able to stream it. And procedurizing and different ways to keep track of your patients and your settings. It's all really important with your Recare program. So I'll be going over all that as well on May 2nd.
Great. All right. Thanks, Joanne. So everybody will hopefully see you next week, May 2nd. Thank you.